So how to make 2,306 euros in one day in 24 hours with one affiliate offer, doing basically affiliate marketing with paid traffic, yeah, using ads. But in this video, I'm going to give you behind the scenes, step by step, exactly how it's done. So it's going to be very short, but straight to the point, so that you can understand how you can pick an offer, for example, on ClickBank or any other private networks, and go about promoting that offer. First of all, you have to understand behind the scenes of how this is done. So let's go straight into it. So the first thing that I want you to understand about the pre-sale pages or landing pages or affiliate websites is this. There are 3 to 4 page types. One of them is long form, another one is short form, and the third one is hybrid. Now, when I'm positioning my pre-sale page, what I'm trying to portray in this video to you is that if you want to have lots of sales as an affiliate, you have to understand this one thing. This is the aha moment from this free video, right? You have to understand that content sells. You have to create a content that will pre-sell the offer. Why? Because if you're an affiliate, you're not selling. You're not selling anything. This is the mistake everyone is doing. They are trying to sell on the landing page, when in the fact, what you should be doing is pre-selling with the content. You see, I can't control what the owner of ClickBank product with weight loss supplement is going to do, how they're going to sell their offer. That's not my thing, that's not my worry. My idea, my job, my work is to make sure that I'm pre-selling correctly before the click, right? Everyone is focusing what's happening after the click. No, you have to understand what is happening before the person clicks on your landing page. So once they are on the landing page, they have to get pre-framed, because remember, they are cold traffic. There are people who are cold. What is the meaning of cold? It means that they are someone who never heard of the product, someone who is not even having the intention to buy, yet you make them, you put them in the right frame of mind to go and join now and buy. So by now, I hope you realize that this is what actually works, pre-selling the content on the landing page. What I do is I have 3 or 4 paragraph direct offer. So what do I mean by that? So there are basically few words that you can insert. So if you work with me one-on-one, you would understand that how this works, right? You have 3 or 4 paragraphs that position your offer correctly on your landing page and gets the buyers to make them to beg you to buy. Basically, they get the itch, so much itch. Imagine this. Let's say you get bitten by mosquito, right? And you have such an incredible itch that you need to scratch, right? And I offer you for $100 the pill that's going to help you to soften or calm that itch. Of course, you're going to buy because you need to stop that itch. So that's the same thing with affiliate marketing. Once you position your offer correctly, people will feel that itch that need to be scratched, right? So that's how it works if you position it correctly. So let's go further. Next thing is my system. You see, I have a pre-sale pages. For example, if I go from Google Ads and Facebook Ads, what I do is I will create different landing pages, different pages, right? Not a whole new website, but pages. You can see pre-sale A, pre-sale B, pre-sale C, pre-sale D, right? A, B, C, D. We have different pages, different content. Now what we do after we pre-sell them, we send out the order page, right? They buy the product, and after that, my friend, after that, what we do is the magic. It's basically a thank you page. What I'm saying is magic because we collect their email address, and that's how we make the big money on the back end. That's how you can have big relationship with your huge email list and make tons of money on the back end, even though you can promote different products. That's why I love affiliate marketing, because affiliate marketing, it's one of the only, let's say, better ways of making money online, but you don't have to stress about or worry about what's going to happen if my Google ad account gets shut down tomorrow. If I still have my email list tomorrow, I'm good to go. I don't have to worry about that. So you have to take it as a sustainable way of making sustainable income online. Now, another thing is I'm using Google Ads. Why? Because as I said in many other videos before, Google Ads are all about intent, right? And intent is what? Buyer's intent. People go on Google to search for information about the product, about the service, about the pain, about the problem, or they go there to buy the product. So one of those two things, and that's why you should use Google Ads as a newbie or veteran if you want to make money online. I'm telling you, if you have only $500 to spend on Google Ads, you could be making around $100 per day with Google Ads doing affiliate marketing. So it doesn't take a genius, but you have to know how to structure it correctly. Now, the question is, as you can see here on my screen, right? If you wouldn't mind spending a week with me in my personal group, one-on-one, and you currently have around $1,000 to $4,000 US, but want to add more long-term sustainable income and add at least $5,000 to $10,000 per month each and every month, then you too can have $10,000 commissions walking through your front doors, paying you without having to spend a ton of money each month on ads. You see, if you really want to get results, if you're watching this video and if you want to get started with affiliate marketing, with MaxWeb or ClickBank or high-ticket affiliate marketing, and take this seriously, I mean, I'm talking about sustainable income, not get rich quick, but really taking it seriously, right? As a high side hustle or the main hustle, up to you, entirely up to you, right? And it doesn't take lots of time. It takes 1 to 2 hours per day to really dial it down and start having success online. So if you're watching this video and if you want to have results, then what you can do next is this. What to do next? If you're watching this video right now, right, you can contact me one-on-one. You can subscribe to my channel, smash the like button for this video, and you can email me. Basically, you can WhatsApp me, email me, and click the link below this video. So basically, if you want to get on my Facebook or Instagram, you can reach out to me. And again, all the links to my social media is below in the description under this video. So if you're serious, I'm telling you this. The most expensive mentor you will always have is procrastination. If you're waiting, yeah, you might save money on course, you might save money on coaching or mentorship, but ask yourself, at what cost? At what cost I'm going to save this $2,000 or $4,000? What's going to cost me more in the future, right? If I don't have the right strategy, if I don't have someone to guide me through step by step along the way and show me the ropes, right? Do you want to be dumb or do you want to be smart? That's entirely up to you, right? I used to be in your shoes as you're watching this video right now, right? I know how it feels not having the right system, so that's why I'm telling you, if you want to have someone to guide you through step by step along the way, to take action now, and I guess by now you realize it, you should move forward to get sustainable results online. So again, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips.